Hello guys, I'm Centric the Studio Master. Welcome to my channel. I tend to mod anything I come over. So today we're gonna have a look at my car. This is something I did, I guess 3-4 years ago. I'm driving a Golf MK6. And what we're looking at is this thing here. Now this took me about, I guess 15 minutes. It would take me 5 now. And it is the perfect fit for any battle. As you can see, I brought a can with me here. That fits perfect. It will fit the McDonald's, Burger King cups, Starbucks, anything like this. And it's attached with 2 screws. And it's pretty simple to get in here on this car anyway. This has a plastic panel. And you simply pull this down. Let's see if I can set this aside so I can get to it. Adjust you up a little here. So this is just to pull straight down. Then you get up in there. And I used short screws. Now this will work on any car, maybe not completely in the same way, but very similar anyway. And you'll always find a place to screw in, but be sure to not use self-tapping screws. You want to be sure what's on the back side there. And what I used were these nuts with washers attached on them, and they swivel. Very handy. You can use just normal washers too. So as you can see, you can easily stick your fingers behind here. It's plenty of room here, and you get up with the spanner. There are a couple of things to consider here, and that is the distance to the seat. Now this is a hatchback, so you want to be sure that when you pull the seat all the way in front, that you have place to lay down the back seats. I guess we could see it from the driver's side view how that works. This fits exactly. I could have pulled it a little further if I had done it again, and I could also add another, so I have one for me and one for passenger. But these holders, bicycle bottle holders, they go for like maybe $6-7. They're very cheap. So let's look inside the car. I'm gonna get my mode right on my... I'm still trying to work out this gimbal. So I don't think I even have power here now. There we go. I had turned off power, no wonder. So as you can see from the driver's side, it is pretty handy dandy to get to there. You can go inside. I don't know if I can get the view for you here, but I mean, it's just in reach here. Perfect reach. Let's get an outside shot of that too. I'm struggling a little with I'm using this monopod, as you see here. And it has a quick release on the top, which is attached to my dongle, not to my gimbal. So I'm struggling a little since I haven't used it before, but we'll see if we can get her done. Let's see. And it powered off again. Why? Keeps powering off on me. Maybe I need to charge the battery. There's some kind of protection mode, maybe. I guess I should have charged the battery. Let's see if we can line it up here. Well, I really can't. That was a shame. What the heck? Well, and it was no shot from the getting me sitting there, but as you can see, it's pretty handy just where it is now. And you could find anywhere in your car where you would think it would be nice to have. I mean, you can go into the console here. There's plenty of spaces where you can go. I wouldn't recommend putting on your driver's side. I would have it on the passenger side. And this cover down here, by the way, that's just to push straight up, and it just has these tabs. Sorry, I can't really get the angle here. It has these tabs which lock in here. This gimbal was fully charged, but it has been standing for quite a while, so I guess it has drained. Or I have forgotten to put it on. Okay, that was it, guys. Hope you enjoyed that. Have a good one.